To add an Affirm virtual card to Apple Wallet, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Wallet and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. You will also need to have an Affirm account and a virtual card set up within that account. First, open the Affirm app on your device and navigate to the virtual card section. Here, you should see the details of your virtual card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, tap the option to add the card to a digital wallet, and then select Apple Wallet from the list of available options. You may be prompted to sign in to your Apple account or verify your identity using Face ID or Touch ID. Once you have verified your identity, you will be taken to the Apple Wallet app, where you will see a prompt to add the Affirm virtual card. Tap the Add button to confirm that you want to add the card to Apple Wallet. You will then see a message indicating that the card has been successfully added to Apple Wallet. You can verify this by opening the Apple Wallet app and looking for the Affirm virtual card in your list of cards. To use the Affirm virtual card in Apple Wallet, simply open the Apple Wallet app, select the Affirm virtual card, and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can then hold your device near the contactless reader to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that you should only add a virtual card to Apple Wallet if you are authorized to use the card, and you should always keep your device and account information secure to prevent unauthorized access to your virtual card. By following these steps, you can easily add an Affirm virtual card to Apple Wallet and start making convenient and secure transactions using your device.